Pagka nakikipag-usap tayo sa patient, we always make them understand na yung natural teeth, yan pa rin yung best. But sometimes kasi the natural teeth do not give them the best confidence that they can have eh. If yung confidence kailangan for their work, for them to feel better, to feel good about themselves, of course, support natin yon. Kasi iba ang perspective ng pasyente, iba ang perspective ng doktor. Minsan meron tayong mga gusto, meron tayong mga prinsipyo na hindi naman isa-satisfy yung pangangailangan and yung preference ng patient. It goes hand in hand. My job is to tell the patient and educate the patient na okay, if we do that, there's no turning back. My job is to make sure that when I do it, it's beautiful. Bagay sa'yo, na-recommend ko sa'yo ano yung tama, but sa dulo nun kasi, it's the patient who would decide. So kahit sabihin ko sa kanya na okay, don't go for too white, don't go for masyadong malaki, huwag ka makisabay sa trend. If ang pasyente gusto ko, Dok, maputi kasi all my life dilaw yung ngipin ko eh. Gusto ko makita nilang lahat na may pera ako. So gusto ko puti yung ngipin ko. That's something na hindi mo pwedeng i-invalidate kasi you don't know naman the effect of having not so beautiful teeth to them.